Welcome to our comparison of two popular compact dryers, the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 and the Euhomy dryer. Both of these appliances are designed for small spaces, making them ideal for apartments and homes with limited laundry facilities. In this video, we'll explore their features, specifications, and performance to help you decide which dryer is the best fit for your needs. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 can handle a load volume of 13.2 pounds, while the Euhomy dryer offers a drum capacity of 3.52 cu/ft. This means that both dryers are capable of accommodating sizable loads, but the Euhomy's larger drum may provide a slight advantage for bigger laundry tasks. Both dryers operate at 1500 W, ensuring efficient drying performance. The BLACK+DECKER BCED37 features 4 drying modes, including air dry, cool, warm, and hot. In contrast, the Euhomy dryer includes a sensor drying mode, which automatically adjusts the drying time based on moisture levels, enhancing convenience and efficiency. In terms of design, the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 is compact and lightweight, making it easy to move around. However, the Euhomy dryer is heavier, which may indicate a more robust build. Both models are designed for portability, but the BLACK+DECKER may be more suitable for those who need to frequently relocate their dryer. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 and the Euhomy dryer offer unique features that cater to different needs. The BLACK+DECKER is perfect for those looking for a lightweight and compact solution, while the Euhomy's sensor drying feature may appeal to those seeking efficiency. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.